how to turn on or turn off Gboard and voice typing share using statics on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard and click on Gboard. Scroll down and click on Privacy. You will see Share Usage Statistics is here. If you want to turn off Share Usage Statistics, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Share Usage Statistics is turn off. If you want to turn on Share Usage Statistics, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Share Usage Statistics is enabled and turn on. You will turn on or turn off Share Usage Statistics from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Gboard and voice typing. Share usage statistics on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.